see this amount of money, it allows me to pay my rent without any worry. So here's exactly how I built the digital product using Claude AI that helps me pay my rent. Disclaimer, my results don't mean that if you try this, that you're gonna get the same results. But then again, all I did was try, and now I can pay my rent and do whatever the heck I want, okay? First step is finding the topic of the digital product I'm going to create using Claude AI and sell to pay my rent. And I sell PDF guides, by the way, and all I'm going to do is come on here on PDF Trend Lab, click Generate Ideas, select a niche, and simply click Generate. PDF Trend Lab will now use real-time search data of problems and issues people are looking for a solution to online, and then turn them into PDF guide ideas. That's why I love it so much. I'll leave a link to PDF Trend Lab in the description and pinned comment of this video if you want to try it out for yourself. But I then sell a package solution to people's problems. And because I sell them between $9 and $27 to start, it's easy for very stressed out people to give me that $9 and $27 without thinking twice about the price. It's called impulse buy. But now that I have topics based on actual problems people are looking for a solution to, I just copy it and feed it to Claude AI using this prompt. And once Claude AI gives me the PDF guide, I'm not done. Sure, you can leave it like this and test it. However, you won't sell much at all. Just look at my conversion rate, almost 4%, and that is double what the standard online conversion rate is. So I know what I'm talking about and give it to you guys raw. You know what I'm saying? I don't sell a course, I don't do mentorships or collect your emails. If someone is, you know what I'm saying, doing mentorships, or run, because that's how they make their money. All I ask is you like this video and subscribe. Get me to 1 million subscribers. Help me and I help you. That's it. It's just a dream I've always had as a kid. Anyway, my high conversion rate means I sell to more people that visit my website more than the average online store owner. So listen to me. After Claude AI, fully generates the PDF guide for you, you're just gonna download it and then take it to Canva. Open the PDF guide Claude AI generated for you in Canva. Obviously, always proofread things to check for spelling errors and to make sure there aren't any color clashes, right? And if all that's clear, then doing this next part is extremely crucial and is what ensures more people, 4% conversion rate of people buy my PDF guide. I go on this website called Unsplash. It's copyright free, so you can use the images without worry. I then type in my niche and find an image that mirrors the feeling that potential customer is going through or the outcome that they want. And depending on the title of my PDF guide, if the PDF guide title focuses on the issue, then the image will focus on the outcome. And if the title focuses on the outcome, then the image will focus on the issue and problem that they're going through. Either way, my goal is to make that potential customer feel, you know what I'm saying? Like when she got that gorilla grip and you can feel that thing 100%. Wait, what the fuck? I'm stupid as hell. Anyway, my point is the goal is to make someone feel something, because people buy based on emotion. When I go buy a Lamborghini, it's not because I just want to give Lamborghini, all that money. It's because I want to feel like I'm better than you. I'm kidding. Let me stop. My point is just make people feel something. Okay. But once I find an image that, conveys that feeling that I'm trying to, make the potential customer feel, I'll then change the cover of the PDF guide on Canva, but I'll leave the pages how Claude AI generated them for me, unless there are any errors that need changing. And then next, I'll reach out to YouTubers in the niche my PDF guide is in, and then have them promote the PDF guide in a YouTube video, while showing the PDF guide cover in the segmented ad portion of their YouTube video. Because when their fans that trust them see a product, the PDF guide, and it has a cover that has an image of a real human being that's going through something quite stressful that they're potentially going through, they're more likely to go on your website and, give you their money. It's really that simple. Not easy, but simple. But there are more pieces to the puzzle, like learning how to build a good, website that people purchase from. And in this free 3+ hour course, I show how to do that and more step by step without collecting your emails and then, you know what I'm saying, selling your mentorship or some crazy scammy guru stuff next. Peace.